In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy email to Gmail 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to send messages from your GoDaddy address right inside Gmail and have Gmail check that mailbox so new messages land in your Gmail inbox. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing into the Google account where you want everything centralized. Click the gear icon in the top right to open settings, then choose See All Settings so we can access the full menu. Head to the Accounts and Import tab. First, we'll set up sending so your outgoing messages show your GoDaddy address. In the Send Mail As section, click Add Another Email Address. A window appears asking for a name and an email. Enter the name you want recipients to see and your full GoDaddy email address, then continue. Gmail will send a quick verification to that mailbox to confirm you own it. Open that verification message wherever you currently access the GoDaddy inbox, copy the code, and paste it back into Gmail. Once verified, you'll be able to pick your GoDaddy address in the From field when composing in Gmail. Next, let's bring incoming mail into Gmail. Still on the Accounts and Import tab, find check mail from other accounts and click Add a Mail Account. Type your full GoDaddy email address and proceed. When prompted, enter your GoDaddy mailbox password. Follow the on-screen prompts. In many cases, Gmail detects the correct settings automatically. If you're asked to enter server details manually, use the server your GoDaddy plan requires. For many legacy GoDaddy mailboxes, that's imap.secureserver.net. If your account is on Microsoft 365 through GoDaddy, use outlook.office365.com. Keep the secure connection option enabled and accept the default secure port Gmail suggests. You can also choose options like labeling incoming messages so they're easy to spot and leaving a copy on the server if you prefer. After saving, Gmail will begin checking that mailbox at regular intervals. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if there's a backlog of messages. From now on, when you compose a new email in Gmail, click the From line to select your GoDaddy address and replies will follow that identity. If you want Gmail to reply from the same address the message was sent to, you can adjust that preference in the Send Mail As section. That's it. You've connected your GoDaddy email to Gmail for both sending and receiving all in one place. If anything doesn't verify on the first try, double check your mailbox password and confirm which server your GoDaddy plan uses, then try again.